Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay off a credit card using the RBC mobile application. So, once I open up the RBC app, I go straight into my credit card account, whether it's a Visa or MasterCard. Another way I sometimes do this is by using the yellow Action button and selecting Transfer between accounts, but for this example, I'm just going directly into my credit card. Once I'm inside, I can easily view my balance and tap on the Make a Payment option. From there, I choose how I want to pay, whether it's a custom amount, the full balance, the statement balance, or just the minimum. Then I select the account I want to pay from, enter the amount, and review everything before continuing. After that, I just confirm the payment and it's done. Honestly, I like how quick and flexible this process is. It makes managing my credit card really simple and stress-free. So yeah, that's exactly how I pay off my credit card using the RBC mobile app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.